started off thinking this was going to be a cool dandelion cup. I just thought all the circles kind of looked like seeds flying around. But then I decided after I got it on the cup that I wanted to color in each of the little circles, and it started to resemble eggs to me. So you get a 2-for-1 on this one to see how it's gonna look. I ended up peeling off the dandelions and putting on chicken vinyl. Go figure. I hope you like it. These grabby acrylic paint markers on Amazon. I really like them. They're fantastic if you happen to paint rocks or anything like that for little details. They're pretty good. They're fast drying. I really like them. This is where my brain started thinking eggs. It took me a little while. I figured I'd finish it, but in the end I ended up peeling off that vinyl, as you'll see. sadly as I was doing this. I really wish I would have left the dandelions on it. But that's how cups are made, I guess. Somebody will hopefully like it.